Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. ComfiLife Gel Enhanced Seat Cushion, Office Chair Cushion, Non-Slip Gel and Memory Foam Coccyx Cushion for tailbone pain, desk chair car seat cushion driving, sciatica and back pain relief, black. Most comfortable gel memory foam cushion on the market, ComfiLife's all-in-one features are unrivaled, non-slip rubber bottom, built-in handle for easy transport and machine-washable zippered velour cover for easy cleaning. The ComfiLife Coccyx Cushion is the best gel memory foam seat cushion on the market, made of premium quality durable memory foam with cool-off gel layer on top for superior comfort. Supports tailbone and relieves pressure. Ergonomically designed seat cushion provides maximum support and comfort while reducing pressure on the coccyx/tailbone and promotes healthy posture. Provides lower back pain and sciatica relief, great for office use, driving and traveling. Supports recovery from lower back problems, herniated discs, tailbone injuries, sciatica, and other spinal issues. Great for office, home, travel, car seat or wheelchair use. Machine washable zippered velour cover for easy cleaning and built-in handle for easy transport. Thanks for watching and subscribe.